Today, I'll show you 3 different ways to insert a Christmas tree in Microsoft Word. Let's start with the first method, using online pictures. Here's what a Microsoft Word window looks like. First, place your cursor where you want the Christmas tree to appear. Next, click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. Then click on Pictures and select Online Pictures. In the search box that appears, type Christmas tree and press Enter. Browse through the results, select the image you like, and click Insert. The second method is using Clipart, which is available in older versions of Word. Click on the Insert tab, then Clipart. Type Christmas tree in the Clipart pane and select your desired image. The third method is using icons, which is available in Word 365 or newer versions. Click on the Insert tab, then Icons. In the Icons window, search for Christmas tree and select the icon you want to use. And that's it. These are the 3 main ways to insert a Christmas tree in your Microsoft Word document. Choose the method that works best for your version of Word and the type of image you want to use.